What's happening, everyone? Google just pulled off something insane. Without warning, they integrated LYRIA 3, their most advanced AI music generation model, directly into the Gemini app. And I'm not talking about some buried feature nobody will use. I'm talking about 750 million Gemini users who can now create professional quality 30-second music tracks with vocals, lyrics, and custom cover art, all from a single text prompt or uploaded photo. No music skills required. No software to download. Just open Gemini and create. This is the single biggest democratization of music creation in history, and it dropped on February 18th, 2026. Let's break down what just happened. Section 1. What is LYRIA 3? First, let's talk about what LYRIA 3 actually is. LYRIA 3 is Google DeepMind's latest generative music model, rolling out in beta in the Gemini app. Here's how it works. Just describe an idea or upload a photo, like a comical R&B slow jam about a sock finding their match. And in a matter of seconds, Gemini will translate it into a high-quality, catchy track. But it's way more powerful than that. You can even ask Gemini to take inspiration from something you upload. A photo of your dog, a video of your vacation, a screenshot of an email. The AI analyzes the mood and context, then generates music that matches it perfectly. Section 2. How to use it. The workflows. So how do you actually use this thing? There are 3 main workflows. Workflow 1, text to track. Describe a specific genre, mood, inside joke, or memory to create unique tracks with lyrics or instrumental audio that fits your vibe, geeky gadgets. For example, I'm feeling nostalgic. Create a track for my mother about the great times we had as kids and the memories of her home-cooked plantains. Make it a fun Afrobeat track with a true African vibe. Workflow 2. Photos to track. Upload a photo or video and watch Gemini use the content to compose a track with lyrics that fit the mood perfectly, geeky gadgets. Example. Use these photos to create a track about my dog Duncan on a hike in the woods. Boom. Instant custom soundtrack with lyrics about your specific moment. Workflow 3. Creative control. You can define realistic vocal styles and direct the details to find the sound you're looking for. Want a male vocalist? Female vocalist? Specific tempo? Acoustic or electronic? Just tell Gemini. Section 3. The bigger picture. What this means. So what does this actually mean for the future of music? First, the numbers. Gemini reportedly boasts an excess of 750 million users. That's more users than Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube Music combined. Every single one of them now has instant access to AI music generation. That's not a niche feature, that's a platform. And it's not just Gemini. Google is making LYRIA 3 available to YouTube creators through the Dream Track feature, expanding globally beyond its initial US availability, Let's Data Science. YouTube Shorts creators can now generate custom soundtracks without licensing third-party music. But here's where it gets strategic. The launch could create more competition for AI music startups such as Suno, which raised a $250 million round in November Chroma. Suno has been the market leader in AI music generation, but Google just brought the fight to their doorstep with 750 million built-in users. Outro/CTA. Bottom line, February 18th, 2026 is the day music creation became truly universal. 750 million people can now generate professional quality music in seconds. No skills required, no equipment needed, just an idea and an internet connection. Is this exciting? Absolutely. Is it controversial? 100%. Will it disrupt the music industry? It already has. The question isn't if AI music will go mainstream. It's how we navigate copyright, artist protection, and human creativity in this new world. What do you think? Is LYRIA 3 democratizing creativity or threatening artists? Drop your honest take in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution, Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. The next breakthrough could drop tomorrow. Peace.